So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create cinematic history documentaries using AI. No, I'm not going to tell you the steps that you'd follow and end up creating a complete random video. In this tutorial, you'll be able to learn how to maintain consistent characters in your AI history documentaries. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, head over to ChatGPT and click on this AI bot. Now don't worry about this bot, I've already pasted this bot in the description below. It actually gives you ideas for your AI documentary that generate 10 history documentaries topics. Now as you can see, this bot has given me 10 ideas. Now this has already given you some viral AI topics. Now you have to choose one topic from this list. For example, I like the most brutal samurai revenge in Japanese history. This one, number 6. So you just have to write the number. For example, I've chosen the number 6 one, so I'll type number 6. Tell your AI bot to respond in English. Once you select your topic, it's gonna ask you how long the script should be. Now this is an important step, because if you want a 10-minute documentary, you have to write 10 minutes, so that this bot will create a script that will last at least 10 minutes when converted into voice. Now just for this tutorial, I'm going with 5 minutes. So just type 5 minutes, and here you can see this bot has given me a cinematic AI script for my history documentary. Now this is exactly a 5-minute documentary, and it will be proven once I convert this into voice using 11 Labs. Now once your script is done, here comes the next step. So for that, just go to this bot. Now don't worry about this bot, I've already pasted this bot in the description also. Now what you have to do is just paste your script that you just created using the other bot, and once you paste that, just click on enter. Now here you can see it on stage 1, it creates the consistent and important characters that are mentioned throughout the script. Now this is an important step because you will be using these characters throughout the video, so you have to generate those characters using these prompts. Now once you are done with your character prompts, just type continue so that it will start generating your first scene. Now here you can see this bot has already given me prompt for my first scene, and then second scene, and also the third scene, fourth scene, and fifth scene. Now as you can see, I've already got my prompts for 1 to 5 scenes. A very important note, here you can see on scene 1 it says characters in this scene are none. Now what are these characters is basically the characters prompts it has given us earlier. Now scene 2 doesn't involve any character. Now here you can see scene 3 contains 2 characters. Now how to implement these characters into this prompt, I'm gonna show you in the next step. Now once you get your scene prompts, head over to Google Flow from the link in the description below, and then paste your first character prompt. Not the scene prompt, but the character prompt to generate your character first. Now go to ChatGPT again, copy your second character prompt, paste that into Google Flow, and click on enter. Now do this exact same steps until all of your character prompts will be converted into character pictures. Now here you can see Google Flow has successfully created all of our characters. Now these characters are going to be used in our upcoming scenes. Now once you're done with characters, go back to ChatGPT and copy your first scene prompt. Now this is my first scene prompt. It doesn't contain any characters, so I'm just gonna paste that prompt and click on enter. You don't have to do anything. Same goes for scene 2. It doesn't contain any characters, so I'm just gonna copy this and paste it here. Now here you can see scene 3 contains 2 characters, so just copy this prompt, paste that here, and then you can see scene 3 contains 2 characters, and we have already generated those characters using these prompts. So just click on this plus icon and select the character that is mentioned above the scene prompt. For example, there are two character mentions, so I'm just gonna add those characters. Now once you select your characters that are mentioned in the scene, just click on enter. Now do the exact same steps like copying the prompt, and if there's a character mentioned, you just have to click on the plus sign and select that character and then click on enter. Now once you're done with your pictures, just download them one by one, and you have completed the most important step. Now here comes another step in which we'll convert these pictures into videos. For that, we'll be using AI. Click on the link in the description below that will take you to this page. Now once you're here, just click on this plus icon and select create video. Then just click on this plus icon and select your first scene picture. And go back to ChatGPT and copy your first scene animation prompt. Now wait while AI creates our first video. Now here you can see AI has already created our first video. Just take a look. You can see the details that it has maintained throughout the video. Now select your second picture, copy your second animation prompt and click on enter. And wait while AI converts our picture into a video. Now it's done, let's have a look. Here you can see it's amazing. Now do this exact same step of selecting that scene picture, copying the animation prompt and click on enter until all of your pictures will be converted into full-blown videos like this. Just take a look at the consistent characters and it is amazing. Now once you are done with all of your pictures converted into videos, open up any software, drag your narration. Now don't ask me how to do the narration, you can literally use 11 labs that I've shown you hundreds of times in my videos, and adjust your clips according to that narration until all of your clips are used and the narration is finalized. And that's it. This is how you create cinematic history AI documentary these days using AI for free while maintaining 100% consistency in characters. Hope you enjoyed this video, and click on this video if you want to know how to create AI music in today's era. Hope you like the video, and as always, you're watching DeepMind AI, and I'll see you in the next one.